Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your studies well, doing your fair books well. So, my dear students, as you all know, we are doing English fair book notes of lesson number 9 Uncle Ken at the Wheel. Which lesson we are doing? We are doing lesson number 9 Uncle Ken at the Wheel. So, my dear students, as you all know, in each session, in everyday lecture, first we are doing a revision of a previous video, then we start our new topic, our present topic. So, first we will do revision of our previous video, then we will start a new topic. Today is a last topic of a fair book notes. So, today we will complete fair book notes of lesson number 9. Okay, so let's start our today's session. Here is a quote that each day I am giving you a reminder. Nobody can go back and start a new beginning, but anyone can start today and make a new ending. So, as I told you before this also, that what is the meaning of this quote? That nobody can change a past, but everyone is having the ability to change future. Okay, so let's see a revision. So in fair book, which topic we have written first? That is hard words. Hard words. So my dear students, first we will revise all the topics which we have already completed in a fair book. So if you have missed anything, you can write it, and students, those who missed videos of previous any lecture, any topic, so they can also note it down. Okay, then we will move to our today's topic. So first, hard words. So let's revise all the hard words. Number 1, narrator. Number 1, narrator. Number 2, Ruskin. Number 2, Ruskin. Number 3, Dehra. Number 3, Dehra. Number 4, Tonga. Number 4, Tonga. Number 5, luggage. Number 5, luggage. Number 6, rattling. Number 6, rattling. Now let's see the next hard word, that is hard word number 7, sahibs. Sahibs. Number 8, porridge. Number 8, porridge. Number 9, marmalade. Number 9, marmalade. Number 10, firpo. Number 10, firpo. Number 11, steady. 11, steady. Number 12, veranda. Number 12, veranda. Then number 13, hard word number 13, nephews. Nephews. 14, niece. Niece. 15, miserable. 15, miserable. 16, seriously. 16, seriously. 17, mused. 17, mused. 18, garage. 18, garage. Then next hard word is number 19. Number 19. So let's see. Vintage. Vintage. 20, greasing. Greasing. 21, license. 21, license. 22, urging. 22, urging. 23 sharp, 23 sharp, 24 toots, 24 toots. Then let's move to the next hard word, that is hard word number 25, round about, round about. 26 Maharaja, 26 Maharaja. 27 occupants, 27 occupants. 28 lawn, 28 lawn. 29 flanked, 29 flanked. 30 secretaries, 30 secretaries. Then next is 31 assistants, 31 assistants. 32 beamed, 32 beamed. 33 jolly, 33 jolly. 34 decent, 34 decent. 35 tennis, 35 tennis. 36 Shimla, 36 Shimla. Now let's move to the next topic. So after hard words there is meanings. Meanings. So let's see meanings. Number 1, board and lodging. Board and lodging means meals and a room. Meals and a room. Number 2, battered. Battered means old and slightly damaged. Old and slightly damaged. Number 3, urging. Urging, constant requesting. Urging, constant requesting. Then next is number 4, beamed. Beamed means smiled happily. Beamed, smiled happily. Number 5, delighted. Delighted means happy. Delighted means happy. So let's see the next topic. Which topic is there after meanings? So after meanings there is give one word. Give one word. So let's see. Number 1, reliable and continuing for a long time. Reliable and continuing for a long time. So what is the answer? Answer is steady. Answer is steady. Then number 2, the sound that the horn of a vehicle makes. The sound that the horn of a vehicle makes. Answer is toot. Answer is toot. Then next is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So let's see. Number 1, on my next visit to Dehra. So answer is Dehra. Answer is Dehra. On my next visit to Dehra. Number 2, Mohan met me at the station. Mohan met me at the station. So the answer is Mohan. Answer is Mohan. Number 3, Uncle can join the driving school. Uncle can join the driving school. Answer is driving. Answer is driving. Then number 4, we got into the car beside Uncle Ken. We got into the car beside Uncle Ken. Answer is can. Answer is can. Number 5, he was feeling pleased with himself. He was feeling pleased with himself. Answer is pleased. Answer is pleased. Now, the next topic, after filling the blanks, there is complete the following. Complete the following. So let's see, complete the following. Number 1, some of the sahibs are selling their houses and going away. So what is the answer? Answer is their houses and going away. Their houses and going away. Number 1, some of the sahibs are selling their houses and going away. Number 2, he is the assistant manager at Firpo's Hotel in Shimla. He is the assistant manager at Firpo's Hotel in Shimla. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is Firpo's Hotel in Shimla. Firpo's Hotel in Shimla. Number 3, Uncle Ken talked very seriously about ways and means of earning a living. Uncle Ken talked very seriously about ways and means of earning a living. So the answer is ways and means of earning a living. Now next, that is number 4, Uncle Ken brought it to a halt in the middle of Maharaja's lawn. Uncle Ken brought it to a halt in the middle of Maharaja's lawn. So what is the answer? Answer is middle of Maharaja's lawn. Middle of Maharaja's lawn. Then number 5, there is kofta curry today. There is kofta curry today. So what is the answer? Answer is kofta curry today. Kofta curry today. So let's move to the next topic. After CF, after complete the following, the next topic is answer in short. Answer in short. So let's see answer in short. So here is question 1. How did Uncle Ken think of earning a living in Dehra? How did Uncle Ken think of earning a living in Dehra? Answer 1. Uncle Ken thought of driving a taxi in Dehra to earn a living. Uncle Ken thought of driving a taxi in Dehra to earn a living. Then next is question 2. Question 2. Why did Uncle Ken think that it was a good idea? Question 2. Why did Uncle Ken think that it was a good idea? Answer 2. Because there was only one taxi in the whole of Dehra. Because there was only one taxi in the whole of Dehra. Now let's move to the next question, that is question number 3. What did Uncle Ken do to prepare himself for it? What did Uncle Ken do to prepare himself for it? Answer 3. Uncle Ken prepared himself by taking driving lessons for an hour every evening. Uncle Ken prepared himself by taking driving lessons for an hour every evening. Then next question, that is question number 4. Who is Ruskin Bond? Who is Ruskin Bond? Answer 4. Ruskin Bond is an Indian writer. Ruskin Bond is an Indian writer. Then next is question 5. How many novels are written by Ruskin Bond? How many novels are written by Ruskin Bond? Answer 5. Ruskin Bond has written over 30 novels. Ruskin Bond has written over 30 novels. So my dear students, in a previous video we have completed till answer in short. So as you all know, new topic, always you should write on a new page. So after completing answer in short, give heading on a new page. So what is our next topic? The next topic is answer in brief. Answer in brief. So let's see, answer in brief means long question answers. Okay, let's see question 1. What did Granny prepare for breakfast for Ruskin? What did Granny prepare for breakfast for Ruskin? Answer 1. Granny prepared for Ruskin a breakfast of porridge, scrambled eggs on toast, meat with fried tomatoes, toast and marmalade, and sweet milky tea. Granny prepared for Ruskin a breakfast of porridge, scrambled eggs on toast, meat with fried tomatoes, toast and marmalade, and sweet milky tea. So now I am giving you few seconds to complete this answer. So I hope you all have completed this answer. So let's see the next question. That is question 2. What did Miss Kellner do when she saw Uncle Ken driving the car? What did Miss Kellner do when she saw Uncle Ken driving the car? Answer 2. Miss Kellner, who was coming out for her evening rickshaw ride, went indoors again when she saw Uncle Ken driving the car. Miss Kellner, who was coming out for her evening rickshaw ride, went indoors again when she saw Uncle Ken driving the car. Now I am repeating both the questions, question 1 and question 2. Okay. So if you have missed anything, you can write it. Question 1. What did Granny prepare for breakfast for Ruskin? Then answer 1. Granny prepared for a breakfast of porridge, scrambled eggs on toast, meat with fried tomatoes, toast and marmalade, and sweet milky tea. Granny prepared for Ruskin a breakfast of porridge, scrambled eggs on toast, meat with fried tomatoes, toast and marmalade, and sweet milky tea. Then, next is question 2. What did Miss Kellner do when she saw Uncle Ken driving the car? What did Miss Kellner do when she saw Uncle Ken driving the car? Answer 2. Miss Kellner, who was coming out for her evening rickshaw ride, went indoors again when she saw Uncle Ken driving the car. Miss Kellner, who was coming out for her evening rickshaw ride, went indoors again when she saw Uncle Ken driving the car. So, my dear students, I am giving you time of few seconds to complete this question. Afterwards, we will move to the next topic. So now let's move to the next and the last topic of fair book. So give heading on a new page. What is the last topic? That is make sentence. Make sentence. So let's see. Number 1, flanked. Flanked. Maharaja flanked by his ministers. Maharaja flanked by his ministers. Number 2, beamed. Beamed means Maharaja beamed with pleasure. Maharaja beamed with pleasure. Number 3, memories. Memories. Ruskin has a lot of fun memories of Uncle Ken. Raskin has a lot of fun memories of Uncle Ken. So, my dear students, this is the end of Fairbook Notes of lesson number 9, Uncle Ken at the Wheel. So, regarding Fairbook Notes of this lesson, if you are having any doubts, feel free to message me on my WhatsApp number. So, we will meet in our next session with the new topic. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.